So I'm sure you've heard about content marketing and all the different ways that you can use it to build your event planning business. Most specifically, you've probably heard people telling you that you should blog, and blog some more to help you find more event planning clients. Well, I'm going to tell you exactly what content marketing is and how you can do more than just blogging to build your client list and get hired. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them book more clients and double their revenue. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so now so you do not miss out on any of my weekly tip videos. This is a great way to get information on how to grow your event planning business week after week. So, what is content marketing? Well, content marketing is very simply put storytelling. So it's just taking information, whether that's about your business, about a problem that your customer is facing, about a solution that they can apply to that problem, and pushing it in a story, right? You're going to use that story to tell them exactly how the solution came about and to help them learn more about your business and your services. Now, content marketing has three important pieces that you need to pay attention to if you actually want to use it to get more clients for your business. And the first piece is awareness. So the reason why you use content to market your business is because first and foremost, you need to build awareness about your business. So one example of that is one that you probably already know, and that's blogging, right? So you can blog about maybe past events that you've planned. You can share stories about your clients, maybe a proposal or engagement story, or maybe if you plan team building events, you can share some struggles that companies have and how your events can help this, right? You can use this to tell stories. So a blog is one example that you can build awareness. You can also do that through videos, through mainstream media, through social media, through SEO, or through paid advertisements such as Facebook ads. There are numerous ways to really build awareness for your business, and that is the first step to marketing content. The second step is actually consideration. And this step is where you want to move people from just seeing your business, but to actually having you in their mind as an option for when they're ready to hire someone. So consideration usually involves a couple pieces. So if you're doing well with your SEO, then it will be pushing traffic to your website. So consideration would be website visits. Or if you're using social media, then consideration would be, for example, a like on your page or a heart on your Instagram post, something like that. And maybe on your website, it's a newsletter sign up. Anything that puts you in front of the customer or to the point where they're connecting with your business but they haven't quite hired you as yet is consideration. So those are two of the steps that your content marketing needs to follow to ensure that you're getting hired. The third step is actually the booking, the decision-making side of it. So to get them to the decision-making side, this is where they're maybe placing an order or they're hiring you, they're signing their contracts, right? That's the stage you want to get them to, and that's where you help them to get to. So once they've signed up for your newsletter, maybe you send them additional content to market. So maybe you send them more information about your business or about another problem they have and a solution. This is where you might also encourage them to give you a call. Or this is why you might reach out to them to call them directly and connect with them to learn more about an upcoming event and how you can help. Whatever it is, you need to have that decision piece in the content marketing. Now, a lot of event planners that I meet sometimes will say, I've tried blogging. I've blogged so many times and it never gets me customers. Well, that's because they don't have all three pieces in place. These three pieces do need to be in place for your content marketing to work. So a lot of people will usually have the awareness piece, right? So they're blogging, they're doing videos, they're on Instagram stories, they're posting on Facebook, they're doing all of that, but they're not moving customers to the consideration phase, right? So they're not pushing them onto a mailing list, they're not getting their phone numbers to call them, they're just not really pushing them to that part. Or if they do, they have them in step 1 and step 2, but they're not pushing them to step 3, which is to make a decision. So they're not getting them to hire them. They're not getting them to send them their phone number. They're not really getting them to make that decision to get hired. So put all those 3 pieces together, and I promise your content marketing will just move up to a new level. Now, again, don't forget to subscribe to get more tips like this to grow your event planning business. Now, as a bonus, I've included a list of potential content marketing examples that you can download and use for your marketing efforts to get more clients and to ensure that you're getting hired.